The CORSAIR LC100 Case Accent Lighting Panel Starter Kit makes it easier than ever to customize the look of your build, with 9 triangular panels that you can take full control of in CORSAIR iCUE. Once you've installed your LC100 lighting triangles, open up the latest version of CORSAIR iCUE and navigate to your lighting controller. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Lighting Node Pro included with our starter kit, and our LC100 triangles are connected to channel number 1. Under Lighting Setup, follow the prompts to add the number of triangles that you've got installed on this channel. Note that a second master triangle from an expansion kit will be needed if you wish to control up to a maximum of 18 triangles on a single channel. The second master triangle should only be connected to SATA power when used as part of a large, single-channel configuration. On channel 2, we've installed an LC100 expansion kit, this time arranged in a mirror pattern with an equal number of companion triangles on both sides of a single master triangle. When configured this way, the master triangle will pass on the same lighting commands to both sides. When working with a mirror configuration, simply add the number of companion triangles on one side of the master triangle in iCUE. The lighting effects will automatically be mirrored to the opposite side. Once you finish lighting setup, add any combination of lighting presets, custom lighting, or lighting link effects to your LC100 triangles. And that's it! CORSAIR LC100 Case Accent Lighting Triangles powered by CORSAIR iCUE make it easier than ever to make a bold statement with your build. Thanks for watching!